I did the reading for team member 5, so I was assigned Canvas segments 3 through 6 and patterns open business models. The three portions of the business Canvas model that I read were about customer segments, value propositions, and channels. Customer segments is the section of the model where a company defines the kind of customer they are creating value for. The scope of the service is defined as a segment. The scope of service is defined as segment. These segments are usually defined by a distribution channel needed by that segment, a specific need for that segment, or a revenue stream that a company can expect from a certain segment. In the value proposition section of the model, a company explains why their service creates value for a customer. This may be through a plethora of examples that may include, but that are not all limited to, increased performance, increased convenience, or decreased costs. The final section of the business canvas model is the channels companies they use to maintain customer relationships. These channels must fulfill 5 purposes: raise company awareness, help customers evaluate a company's value proposition, allow customers to make purchases, deliver value propositions to customers, and finally provide costs for customer support. Patterns was talking about the logic behind an open business model and how a company might use it to maximize value and its utilization based on the kind of innovation they were doing. It explained two kind of open business models. The first business model was an outside-in model where a company would use outside innovation to help solve their own problems. A few companies that use this kind of open model are P&G and Nestle. In both cases, the company was able to maximize efficiency of their own R&D department at a much more efficient cost, and in effect, create more value for their customers. The second kind of open business model is an inside-out model. In this model, a company that has an excellent R&D department would sell some of that untapped value. In this kind of model, it is usually most profitable for that company to license whatever innovation they are selling so that it can be an income stream for them instead of something that is just a one-time transaction.